What's up, y'all? It's Dave from Kodawari Collective. We're back at it again with another install video. This time we're going to be working on the NSX, so we're going to be installing these Honda JDM taillights, as well as this Garage Kite Type R style rear spoiler. Just a heads up, the spoiler does not come painted, and some prep work is needed to be done before the install of the wing. Garage Kite actually includes some instruction on how to install the third brake light, but we also went above and beyond, and we created these foam inserts for the wing mounts. All right, so we're gonna start off with the spoiler disassembly. It's very easy to do. There's only 6 bolts total, 10mm bolts, 3 on each end. Now is gonna be helping me out with this disassembly. Let's get to it. So once you have all the bolts removed, you can simply lift the spoiler, but be careful because there is a wire harness on the driver's side. Just disconnect that and it's ready to be removed. All right, so right now I'm just trying to grab the connector. It kind of fell through, so I'm trying to fish it out, and then from there I can connect the new one directly onto the spoiler. Very tight space. Can't access it from the bottom, so just gotta be really careful not to drop it like me. There you go, I got it. Need little fingers for this job, you know. We can go ahead and install the new one. It's pretty much just reverse process. Connect the connector first, and then screw in the 3 new nuts that come with the kit, and we're good to go. That's pretty much the install for the wing. Now we can close the trunk and see how it looks on the car. So we gotta make sure that the third brake light works. Just give it a kick on the brake pedal and you can check that out. Perfect. So now and I are gonna start disassembling the inside, but now it's also gonna explain why he chose these taillights rather than the other ones.
So with the NSXs, the Acura models in North America came with this finish, this color. The JDM taillights are a little bit darker. I really liked having kind of like a darker red color for taillights. And I think it just contrasts better with the red car, which is nice. There is a second gen taillight that has like these orange ovals right around here. I'm not a big fan of orange on headlights or taillights or anywhere on the car. So we're gonna put on the darker JDM taillights and see how they look on the car.
All right, so we've taken out the original NSX taillight of the vehicle, and now we're swapping the bulbs and wire harness from the stock lights onto the new taillights, and we're gonna be repurposing the gaskets. We did order a new set. It hasn't shown up yet, so when it shows up, we're gonna slap on the new gaskets and we're good to go. right, so now that we have the lights reinstalled, we can check the lights to make sure that they all come on.